So guys, whenever you get a chance to enhance your skills or learn new skills, and that is completely free of cost, 100% free of cost, you should never let go that opportunity, because it is a brilliant opportunity and you can learn many things, you can learn new things. So hey guys, this is Sheetal and I welcome you all on my channel Sheetal Rudraksh, and in today's video I am going to tell you about a program which has been organized by Cognizant USA. So these skills which you will be getting from Cognizant USA, and this is completely free of cost program. You don't need to pay anything, and the plus points are anybody from Pan India can apply here. Anybody from any qualification background can apply here. If you are just 12th pass and you want to grow in your technical career, in that case also you can definitely go here and you can learn these skills from here. And this skill which they are teaching you in this particular program is very important for this software development. So if you want to go for software development also, this skill will definitely help you out. So this skill name is Agile, and Agile is very important skill for the software development. Now guys, I'll take you to my computer screen. I'll explain you everything about this program. So please make sure that you will not skip this video, because I'll be telling you the each and every step that how you can register here, how you can get enrolled into this program. So the program which has been provided by Cognizant is called Agile program, and this is a completely virtual program. So you will be sitting at your home and then you will be learning also, and it is completely free of cost. You don't need to pay anything. It is 100% free of cost. So let's talk about the benefits which you will be getting from this program, and after that we'll see what are the things you will be learning in this program, and then we'll tell you the registration process. So first of all, virtual experience program is completely free of cost for students, and this is a self-paced program and it takes 5 to 6 hours. So the program is for 5 to 6 hours and you can complete this program in 5 to 6 hours, and you will be getting skills and experience from Cognizant USA. So this program has been designed from Cognizant USA only, the professional of Cognizant USA, and you will be learning skills from them. And you can add this experience into your resume. That is also a big plus point. Experience in your resume, you will be getting a certificate out of it. So once you will be completing the program, you will be getting a certificates also. You can do it as per your time schedule. So there is no foundation, there is no foundation on the classes that you need to available on a particular timings. You can be available as per your schedule. You can learn directly from Cognizant, which I have already told you. After completing your course, you can apply with the Cognizant also. They will give you preference, and you can discover it further if you find this as your career path. Now let's talk about what you will be learning in this particular program. So there are 6 things you will be learning in this particular program. The waterfall versus agile, user stories. You will be learning role assignments and ceremonies. You will be learning agile tools and concepts. You will be learning agile curveballs. You will be learning agile methodology, review and additional resources. So these are very important keys of agile, and you will be learning it here from Cognizant USA. So now let's talk about how you can apply for this. First of all, you need to register here. So you can register here from your email ID. Then you will have to mention your basic details like your name, your last name, your email ID, and you need to create your password. And you need to choose your qualification. If you are a 12th pass, you can choose to a high school. Otherwise, the other qualifications are mentioned, you can choose that. They'll be asking you regarding your gender, your nationality, etc. So these are the basic things you will be filling up here, and once you will complete this form, you will get this notification, welcome to the Forge. And once you will complete the process, you will get the notification. You can click on get started, and it will enroll you in the program, and after that you can start learning this program. So before I close this video, I just want to say guys that if you want to develop your career in software development in Agile, you should definitely learn this program, and it is available for all of you. From any qualification background, you can join here. So guys, I hope that I have covered the maximum details related to this program, but still if you have any question, any doubt, any query, you can ask me in the comment box. I'll be really happy to help you out. Till then, take care and keep supporting me.